Here's how to make money with Clickfunnels and start generating anywhere between $100 to $300 a day doing so. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So Clickfunnels has been around for many years now, and it was actually one of the first companies who offered those, landing page and funnel page builders, which are very popular among internet marketers, online marketers, or anybody trying to sell something online. Because you need to understand that when you're trying to sell something online to anybody, right? Usually you want them to go through like a selling process, right? So you want them to go through different stages of the selling process. For example, maybe you will bring that traffic to an article, and then after they've read that article, you'll bring them to another page where you will try to collect their email addresses. And then once you've collected their email addresses, you will send them to like a product page where you want them to buy something from you. So they go through all those different stages before they finally take out their wallet and start buying something from you. And all those stages they go through, it's like a funnel. And that's why Clickfunnels have become so popular over the years, because it was actually one of the first companies who really provided this kind of service to people trying to sell things online. Now, even though Clickfunnels have been around for quite some time now, it's still hugely popular today. And because of the huge popularity of Clickfunnels, there are different ways that you can make money with the platform itself. And one of those ways is to join Clickfunnels affiliate program. Affiliate marketing, if you don't know what it is, it's basically when you sell other people's product and you earn a commission on every sale that you make. And that's exactly what you can do with Clickfunnels. So when people sign up for Clickfunnels, they will sign up for a certain amount of they have different membership, and you will pay different prices for each membership. And you, as an affiliate, if you refer somebody to Clickfunnels, you would earn a commission, not just once, but every month, as long as this person remains a customer of Clickfunnels. And this is a really great way of building, passive income or recurring income. So if we check Clickfunnels pricing page here, and then we'll check their affiliate page, you will see that on their pricing page, they have two different plans. So you can sign up for a 14-day free trial, and then you will have to join one of those two plans if you want to continue. They do have a third plan for people with much bigger budget, or people who are able to generate a lot more traffic. But those are the two plans that most people would normally sign up for. They have a $97 a month plan and a $297 a month plan. Now it's quite in the higher price range for those kinds of products, but as I've said, Clickfunnels have been around for a really, really long time, and they've really established themselves as one of the leaders in the funnel builders, landing page builders industry. So if we check Clickfunnels affiliate page, you will see that you can earn up to 40% commission per every monthly recurring sales that they make. So if somebody signs up for the $97 a month plan, you can earn up to $40 per month for each person that you refer to the platform. Now, usually we'll start at around 20 or 30%, and then as you get more and more people to sign up under you, they will increase it up to 40%. And this is a really great way of earning passive income and recurring commissions. But what's so great about Clickfunnels and promoting Clickfunnels is that they have other things that they sell to people signing up to their platforms. So they have books that they sell, they have like challenges that they sell. So they have like courses that they sell that can also earn commissions from. So they have something called the One Funnel Away Challenge that teaches people how to create like landing pages, funnel pages, how to get started online, and you will earn a $100 commissions per every sale that you make for the One Funnel Away Challenge. So they have other things that they promote on the back end once somebody sign up for Clickfunnels, and that's why it's a really great program to join and to promote, because you're not just making money for every person who signs up for the Clickfunnels platform, but you also make money when they buy other stuff in the back end. So how can you get started promoting Clickfunnels, right? So first thing that you need to understand is if you're going to promote Clickfunnels or any similar platform, it's very important that you have an idea of how the platform works or how to use it, right? So you will have to invest in Clickfunnels and learn how to use the platform before teaching it to other people, because if you're going to try and promote this and you've never used the software yourself, it's going to be very hard for you to promote this very efficiently. So the first thing you will need to do is really sign up for Clickfunnels, and this is going to be the one investment that you would have to do and the only investment that you would have to do. And then after that, everything that I'm going to show you is actually free, but this is the only investment that you will need to do if you want to be able to make money with Clickfunnels. So once you've done that, now how you go about promoting Clickfunnels is through YouTube. YouTube is obviously one of the biggest websites on the planet. Is the second biggest website in terms of traffic, and a lot of people already create content around Clickfunnels and they are making affiliate commissions with this, and that's exactly what you want to do as well. YouTube is, as I've said, one of the best traffic sources out there. It's search engine traffic, which means that people are typing in things that they are actively looking to buy, or they are really looking for valuable information about it. And you don't have to show your face neither. I know some of people in here are showing their face in their videos, but you really don't have to. You can do something like what this channel is doing, where they only show the screen recording. You don't have to show your face at all. And if we look at some of the monthly searches for Clickfunnels, I'm using this keyword research tool, which is a feature of the vidIQ Chrome extension. You will see that there are over 180,000 people searching Clickfunnels on YouTube every month. And as you can see, this has very low competition. Clickfunnels tutorial, 37,000. How to use Clickfunnels, 13,000. Clickfunnels review, 21,000. What is Clickfunnels? Almost 6,000 searches. And you can see all of those keywords have very low competition, and if you can create content around those keywords, you can really get ranked and start generating a ton of views with this. And all you will need to do is to post consistently and be very very serious about it and very persistent, and eventually you will start seeing amazing results with this method. If you check this channel here, this channel called Builderpreneur by this guy here named Spencer Makeham, he makes a lot of content, also about making money and all of that. And something that you might not know is that if Spencer Makeham was actually somebody who made a ton of money promoting Clickfunnels at first. Like if we saw his videos by oldest, you will see that he made a bunch of videos about 3 years ago, and all of those videos were about Clickfunnels, and he was generating a ton of views promoting Clickfunnels very actively, and he made over, I think, close to $1 million just by promoting Clickfunnels back in the day when Clickfunnels was very, very hot, when Clickfunnels was kind of new and also very, very hot. Obviously, Clickfunnels is not as hot as it was back then, but as I've showed you, there are still a lot of people actively looking for Clickfunnels videos today. And if you can make videos and get ranked and put your videos in front of the right eyeballs, you can start making some really, really nice commissions. One other way you could also promote Clickfunnels is on Pinterest. Pinterest is also a search engine, and you can basically create simple pins, promoting Clickfunnels. There are people searching for Clickfunnels on Pinterest as well. If you check out this particular Pinterest keyword research tool here, you will see that for the keyword Clickfunnels, there are over 33,000 people searching for Clickfunnels on Pinterest every month. Clickfunnels affiliate 1,300. So you can see there are people searching for different Clickfunnels keywords. So if you can get ranked for those keywords, you can start generating a nice income from Pinterest as well. Now guys, I'm gonna be honest, this is not some BS quick way to make money online. This is really a method that can take a little bit of time. You will need to wait like a few months before you see amazing results with this method, but this is a method that really, really works, okay? This is not one of those BS, how to make money in like 24 hours or this is a way to build really passive income on the long haul. And if you are serious about it and you take this very seriously, you can see amazing results eventually down the road. One more thing I want to share with you, like a little bonus tip, is once you become very good at creating funnels and landing pages, you can basically offer this as a service as well. You can go on Fiverr and offer, this as a service, creating sales funnels for other people. You see that there are some people doing this already, and they're charging anywhere between $20, $50, all the way to like $100. Basically, charging people and creating sales funnels for them. And there's also Upwork as well, which is very similar to Fiverr, and you can pretty much offer your services on that platform as well. So there you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.